In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix apps. If you're looking to enhance the functionality of your website, Wix provides a multitude of options to help you do just that. With Wix, adding new features to your site is a straightforward process, and today we'll be guiding you through it step by step. So, whether you want to add a booking system, a blog, or even a store, you're in the right place. First, you need to open your site's editor. This is the central hub where you make all the adjustments and changes to your site. Don't worry if it seems a bit intimidating at first. The interface is quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find a variety of options. Among these options, you will see Add Apps. Click on this option to access the Wix App Market. The App Market is like a treasure trove of features that you can integrate into your site. Here, you have the flexibility to either browse through the available apps or use the search bar to find a specific app you're interested in, like Wix Bookings, Wix Blog, or Wix Stores. Taking the time to explore what's available can provide insights into how you can improve or broaden your site's capabilities. Once you've found an app that piques your interest, the next step is to click on the app to view more details. This is an important step as it gives you a chance to understand what exactly the app offers and whether it aligns with your site's goals. You'll find descriptions, user reviews, and sometimes even a preview, which can be incredibly useful in making your decision. After deciding that an app is right for you, it's time to install it. Simply click on the plus Add to Site button. This action will prompt the app to begin installing, seamlessly integrating into your site. Most apps are designed to install quickly, so you won't have to wait long. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to follow any on-screen prompts to configure the app as needed. This step is about customization and tailoring the app to suit your specific needs. You might be asked to input certain preferences, link databases, or adjust general settings. Be sure to pay attention to these details, as they can significantly impact how well the app functions for your particular use case. And there you have it. You've successfully added an app to your Wix site. Don't hesitate to experiment with different apps and discover new ways to enhance your website. As you grow more comfortable with these tools, you'll find that you can transform your site into a dynamic platform tailored perfectly to your audience's needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials and take your Wix website to the next level.